Today we're making two simple Korean dishes using sausage. One is stir-fried sausage with vegetables and the other one is something a bit more fun, sotteok, a combination of sausage and rice cake on a stick. It might sound a little unusual, but it's actually really popular. Let's start with sotteok. In Korea, one of the most common places to find sotteok is at highway rest stops. I'm not exactly sure why, but maybe it's because it's easy to make, easy to eat, and bold in flavor. Korean highway rest stops are actually quite well developed. They are clean, convenient, and have a wide variety of food to choose from. Some people even visit them just to try different foods. Do you have places like that in your country? Both of today's dishes use ketchup. Ketchup is originally a Western ingredient, but I'm not really sure how it's commonly used there other than with fries. In Korea, it's often used in dishes like these. Not exactly traditional, but slightly Western style. How do you usually use ketchup in your country? The name sotteok comes from two words. So means sausage and tteok means rice cake. So it's just sausage and rice cake on a stick. Simple, right? Now we are going to make stir-fried sausage with vegetables. It's an interesting dish. For kids, it's a simple side dish with rice, and for adults, it can be a great snack with drinks. My sister who's cooking in this video said it reminds her of her college days. She used to go to a bar where they had a set menu with canned peaches, a soup dish, and this stir-fried sausage, all for about 20,000 Korean won. I guess food, like music, has a way of bringing back certain people and moments in our lives. This just came to mind. This was also a popular dish in the military. Whenever something good was served, there was this unspoken rule that you had to let your seniors know. And this was definitely one of those dishes. I don't miss the military at all, but I do miss being younger. Now that everything is ready, the sliced sausages look really cute, and the colorful vegetables make it look even nicer. It's not difficult to make, so I hope you will give it a try at home. Also, my sister who's been cooking in this video shares a short introduction to Korean rice cakes toward the end, so please stay until the end.
가래떡, 꿀떡,